Scenario. The graph shows the energy of a system as one object moves along a frictionless track. The potential energy of the object is displayed as the object rolls along the track. Note that as the object moves, the rest of the system does not move and no energy enters or leaves the system. The image is displayed below to the right-hand side. Question. Where on the graph does the net force exerted on the object have the greatest magnitude? Answer. It would be from T1 to T2. The reason why is because the slope, which is the change of energy, is defined by work. Work is equal to delta KE. Work is the net force on the system that changed the energy of the system. The slope is the greatest from T1 to T2. Therefore, that is where the largest net force is being done. Next, where on the graph does the net force exerted on the object is equal to 0? Here it would be from T2 to T3. Why? Because the slope is 0 from T2 to T3. That is where 0 net force is being done.